Ajepkako no wa. Na me pogbe ma so we. The person wey dey make us support better pass you Ajepkako. He better pass you. You supposed to dey share for public. If na only the one wey you take carry your 3 months baby, they carry go dey give your wife for road, they give am breast. Woman wey go stand for road wey oyibo dey knack. He never wash body, he never bath. You go carry your breast where you see they even they put for mouth. You go to give one to your pikin make the suck. And the more woman go see research when more complete go see pay you. Okay, agba you be the go nowhere. You are disgrace to the society, Ajepkako. Now what you want to talk? Person where you can't go carry come. Now you with a place get a plan and say I thief goats. That one not work for you. You go find woman wey born for me. Wetin woman wey born for me talk. My plan me I play your wife on. My plan before I play the single mother wey put for us. Before I play home. When I play the one way. Negibo. When I plan, when I wait. Look at when you go colonize with my woman wey born for me, may come disgrace me. When I don't find everywhere, I don't see where they disgrace me. You go cast talk, you go play with my Nifo say I thief goats. 3 days I bring my Nifo come out. What you can't do now? You can't go to find woman, you can't go to cry to woman when I born for. Woman wey born for me. You can't go to cry. What to do? You go to cry. Like the day when they swore you do that, they want me to cry. You go to cry for a woman way born for me. Make people listen. Make people listen.
Talk now. They carry man, they call you.
Listen. Ajepkako is the shame. You don't see monkey face call your wife. All the old record where your wife talk about you was eat the bosses. But when you come woman wey born for me, you know what you talk. Baba, etimi wey gbenu call your morion. My father, the hardness when you plan for my mind, that's what you taught me when I was growing up. I begin to stand on that portion. Oh, what we are no cocoa for you now, except to no mind it. Area of time, man. Oh, woman, oh, when Musaya cocoa, Musani Yakoko. I see stand by that word, neither me call your morion. Listen to woman. Woman, when me the late cause upon for live video, everybody see a video. What you talk, listen. Ajepkako, listen. Now you with a dead there. You with a woman we born from now. You with a they discuss now. He said the problem when I get woman not they control me. Oh, hello man. Oh, we push mumu de me we le loko. Oh, we not you ne baby. We make you. If I tell you say this friend, I don't need them to follow the waka. You obey me. Now so you say tell me say this friend, I don't need them. You don't need them to follow this friend the waka go obey am. You tell me not to obey me. Why you go expect one obey you? Woman in the light of the house, woman and light of the house. When woman tell you something, you believe, you they take and do something. When you tell the woman something, not believe, now they quarrel they come. You know, see, all the old record, come plan. I want me to come plan. What do you want to talk? Last time we say my papa come on leave my mama. Now I play for you. You know how many of my mama's sister did for this Euro for you? When they stay with my father. You know how many stay with my father? When my part train. You say my papa don't last, my mama don't last. When my papa carry my grand, he carry your grandson when I born. He carry your first pikin carry grandson. Second pikin carry godson. Third pikin carry grandson. Fourth pikin he carry grandson. You say that kind of man don't last. Your papa don't carry your grandson. Now get that bad for you go take by your papa where your papa go thief. Where you bury your papa put? No be government go bury out. No be government go put am for exact land. They bury seven of them together one day. Government. Ajepkako. Bako. Oh, different window. Window. National cake. You marry your dabo when I lay. You know how your husband Vivian. You marry ele. Eh, don't mumu norobe wo. Eh, don't mumu wo. Eh, lucky Nazi. No Italy only wa gboni o zaza magi mi meta. Eh, lucky Nazi we to polo gele gbe yi. Yin na gbe o la je. E ko na so mo yin. E lucky Nazi we to polo. Iye ise wa gbe don mumu noro. E sugusugu na filu gbegbe. Oh, I know they're not guessing. Eh, sugusugu me. You know what it be a sugusugu? Where mean you sugusugu? Tag you popo gbe sugusugu. E sugusugu eni agbon. Ohun da sugusugu kin. Oh, pe wa gege do total life do we sugusugu yen. Oh, e re gbanu gbo piani. E to piani meme. E sugusugu na filu gbegbe. Aga bere wudu na wey. Ahwe here. O pe wa gege do total we sugusugu yen. E o ma ni ere gbani. Americana, my queen Americana, any boku, oh popo ni jeme, he really bad your body bear. Esugusugu na fi look gbegbe udun. Iya ye so would when we do rejection in America above here. Iya me just iya we have ko ye me ge ya we me kwani ya we be na. Iya se gbe o be na me ge ya we. Iya me ge ya we be na ya se gbe America. Iye mi chesi ya we be na wa ya gbe iye mi chesi ya we ro pa ime mu gbe na be na iye ko yi iye nu gi ewe ni do gi mi ma yan aje pokala re won aje ta fe window ma be ge be gbo si na ma si lo tun ere Isi Oluku, I don't have time to do with your brothers and your sisters. They have no business with them. Because in that row of your 12 me street or go by your own. You. But who be able to call? Why do not me am gonna win in nowhere? Way because what not to pay. For that simple reason, I stay on my lane, my woman trouble. My way I make the baba and my party at Boa. So, make me be many. What none of video? Me a woo a phone, a vanilla view on Bona, a vanilla view on Bona. They have a charger on the loo. Very boo without Bonaria boo of any. It can't boo walk here. What man was your boy? Eco, I work with my eco. Ajepkako, okay now. You don't listen to what my wife play. Woman will born for me. You don't listen to what he play now. Won't listen to your wife. One play your own for you. One play your own for you. Ini pogede u atakpara paru gyoji. Ojibole. Ole. Ojibole. Ole buruku. Ole. One fair play you. Tiffy Jankoriko, how are you? Chai. Tiffy Jankoriko, how are you? Chai. Okay, one play your own. You don't listen to the woman who born for me. They don't listen. More play your wife. If we get Paula, if we get by, if we get by, if we get Paula, shame no let me plan more. Shame no let me plan more. Oh, I dance no ga momo you po. I dance where the carry baby go road with the brief. I dance no ga my baby. Oh, they just give you wife like this. They just get po inside bush for very back. Where they get. Now so baby go out the cry for sas and the boy you put up for motor. Oba mugie e ko wo ni akpe wen. You no go watch the blessing. You no go watch the blessing. You no go watch the blessing. Hello.
Hello, domo prophet, domo sir.
What?
Domo professor domo.
What book here?
Why never me online? Why carry no geeky? Why was so we like?
When they we are the woman, when they we are the woman. Egbe okuwe wela aje wana. When they we are the woman ania. When they we are who do no gi. When they we are the woman we are gba lokin na. Was say. No pero we mo na iwana na so na lo be kesi go mo da lo ka gba shawo ne. No da gun iganga wa je bona hina. Ejebo be iganga we don praise. Iganga go sugusugu. O pe wa gege grown up man. Sugusugu no ma grown up man we dey stone. Fulu gbe sugusugu e no be man e bi edoa. Sugusugu na wetin good. A grown up man dey magbana over the total win sugusugu. We sugusugu ta filu gbegbe sugusugu. Imi yan filu gbegbu we le bi o. Ta koko gbe sugusugu. Because women wan Umami ni agbon when a new generation. You know. Umami katumu ye gbona ya address sugusugu ye gbe we sugusugu we. You because we a wo ye we don mumu u kongbe. Women wan. When you go on, after they talk, people know saying that the fact that they tell you go to shame for inside your house. Now, me the beat you now. I tell you people, okay, and I'm on listening to Ajepkako. If we go back border, shame not go let me play this one. Shame not go let me play this one. Shame not go let me play this one. Shame me go back for now. Shame me go back pay. Wagiak pay na dam Ajepkako. Other thing we do ne God forbid. For me to, he said him, I shall want to car bien ukbiavene. He said him well awame. He has to take care of your way, but he said he has a wife. He didn't pay. He didn't pay me upon what done with you. Didn't pay me upon what. He pay me upon what can he? What get pastor? Pastor, come tell us what happened.
So. They say a shower for Bible is an immoral act. Say it's a deep pit. Prostitute people do a shower, they be like deep pits. And they are wayward people. If you marry them, they don't want a wayward wife for the house.
No wonder. No wonder. If you marry them, they'll carry quarter follow you. You know they get peace for the house. Igbinigbina. Police yanti no one. No wonder, babega. Hey. If you marry them, no problem. Yakpoto go wash toilet. Then they come out for their mouth. No wonder, they Bible yagi. No wonder, the bola gbegba wagu go. No wonder, the bola gbegba wagu. Jadam yo.
Well, they are like bandits that lies and wait.
Oh, we Boko Haram. Oh, we Boko Haram. Yo, I mean, Egypt. They better my pastor. They better my. Need they better pay. Pastor, they better.
His voice talk to Senacom. So they say a shower for Bible.
Not be the one way never born for man. That one good though. Not be the one way don't wash away don't go born from another man first. So that only work ala. Only Bible game my melanie. I game Ajepkako. In West Second Journey of Mogo Park, everybody has to run for Mogo Park. You see, when I was there, Ben Wayak Buru no Subome. Here I am, Manon, Messiah. Messiah. More listen to this one first before I go play your wife.
It's an immoral act. Say it's a deep pit.
Americana, my queen, why you immoral article? Tamame, immoral art. Hello. Oh, Ofia. A battery full. A battery full Americana. A battery full. Oh. Hello, mommy. A charger here for power. Why marry charger here for power? So I fear because he said to my speaker. No? Okay, ciao. What gather down here? Ajepkako. Those are done with vaccine babu. A condemned woman of Cabino. I shall want to Cabino. I mean, when you were condemned woman in him. Don't give me the Bible I describe her. Anyway, that can me women who were men when you were. With that can me way. Don't tell me, Bible. A job with Bible. A job where you with Bible. Ezekiel. What a queen had gone you with Bible, Ezekiel. Jemaria, what a queen had been you with Bible, eh? What get down here? What get down here? Yeah, I was a boy, Ajepkako, yes, a boy, I have more. If I said, boy, I have more. Well, maybe, well, Okaka, ne walk by Kevin Wanaka.
Prostitute people do actually they be like deep pits, and they are wayward people. If you marry them, they don't want to wayward wife for the house, and it's a narrow well.
Ajepkako, we no kai. Oh, we no basha we no kabie no piano. If you marry them, they are like a narrow way. Hey, why you narrow way? No, I'm not a narrow way. I will not do time. No, I'm not a narrow way. I take I take Ajepkako, I take a narrow way. Sabwa, I can't body who will be. No, my kabie no piano. Oku no mera. No me jo. No mera. No me ka. Na do bobu ari oku webu. No me kabie no pia. No mera. Ma we ga agwiti ra de bag. Ora de ba me gbe. Era de ba me gbe. Egbo ko be de egwa lo. Era de bo me o de ba me gbe. Igbe baba. Iye de so ba ya togi mara wo wa. Baba we sun e. Baba we sun e era de ba me gbe. Egbo ko ni igwa lo. They are like
bandits that lies and waits, and the multitude of the unfaithful among men. So that men we don't know themselves, that they fall for the trap.
For trapping now. A cartoon or a cartoon, a junkie, or maybe all Danyodiku. Man, man, we don't know themselves. Now go marry a shower with for man. Look at now. I want you to tell me. Can I ride on? Hello, you people want me to ride on? Not question.
Like what in Proverbs 23:27-28.
Obey Proverbs 23:27-28. Go and look in the Bible, however. Yeah, I've done in the Bible. So, I will give me no give. I will poke on you. If you have married, you be in Europe, try to be with your husband. It's a shame when we are preaching this Bible. If you want to Adam, you walk away. I appreciate Bible. The Bible man can't alone now. A Bible man can't alone. It's a shame when our children, because now church when the park when our children they go. Now we want to be preacher for una with Bible. Now we want to tell una. Now shame say una pikin go dey see wey with the quote Bible. Now shame. So if you be that woman, before you marry, now you never first marry. Look the man where you want marry well. No go marry finance. No go marry book say na that's my go book. No go marry tallness. Marry the man when he love you, when you go give your love. Because if you go select. Now you go for one chance. If you go because of documents, you go for one chance. Actually, we don't go born for man, not be woman. Now, Ajepkako wife I talk to, not be saying how woman they talk to, they advise generally. So,
Proverbs 5 and 23 to 5. Say God forbid involvement with prostitutes. Say God forbid them. Say don't involve yourself with a prostitute. No, such immorality is detrimental to both men and women. When you involve yourself with a prostitute, you will get mental problem.
Oh, Ajepkako, what that go? Oh, why did I video go? Atiti, no, no, mental problem agbo. Metallic agbo Ajepkako. Baba don prison or honey, you yaro me, sugu, no one that they near you, one of the mental problem here. Metallic problem here, a Baba gave me problem, woman. A Bible don't get problem, woman. Then it's a good penny, madam.
No, such immorality is detrimental to both men and women. When you involve yourself with a prostitute, you will get mental problem. There are a lot of things that will come out from it. All these fights with the happen. Now people will not know themselves. Mostly this calling of police. Now mostly people will not do this road work. Prostitute. Say God forbid them. Say don't involve yourself with a prostitute. No, such immorality is detrimental to both men and women. When you involve yourself with a prostitute, you will get mental problem.
No,
there are a lot of things
no wonder.
All these fights with the apple.
No wonder. The Ajepkako Vivian, national cake, when he beat Ajepkako, when he beat Ajepkako, all that book by Yakon, Ajepkako not tell me pour for this teeth waiting for front. But I will not see the teeth come out. Now, Baba, that's on the wood. Now, Vivian knock for a titty break. That woman go take police arrest Papa Ajepkako, Mama Vivian for Papa Vivian for us. On a police, who now a police in Vivian over. No wonder people were gear. We ain't gonna make that problem. Woman beg self-loving here. Woman beg self-love. One of the mental problem not that when you now we have a mental problem. A Bible, Ezekiel, one of your gonna you Bible here. Jeremiah, wow. Also, woman cancel now you Bible read. On I just ma one me here appreciate now. On me here appreciate now. I'm a hey, pastor, the prison I'm here with church. Me also preach here. Oh, wow. Then is a good way.
Unfaithful among men. So that men we don't know themselves, that they fall for the trap. Like what it Proverbs 23, 27 to 28. Proverbs 5 and 23 to 5. Say God forbid involvement with prostitutes. Say God forbid them. Say don't involve yourself with a prostitute. No, such immorality is detrimental to both men and women. When you involve yourself with a prostitute, you will get mental problem.
Oh, not be the one with the Asha will make a mental problem. Maybe don't remember. It's Wusugu no my nigga. It's Wusugu the mafilu baby. Woman that be. Mago you sit down go say na be Wusugu. When I go to look and say, you're the from far distance. We boy na kwe me nwa. E boy na wo Wusugu ma gbe wudu. Akwe wudu na ya akwe lu du no pa. Aya akwe sa wo lo. Michael Gola akwe Wusugu akwe asa wo lo. Oh le ya gbe din ni. O wo Wusugu pe na kwe me nwa to lo wa kan na. Oh, well, I don't win. Oh, 1, oh, 2. Oh, you cannot stand your ground as a man. Well, if we don't look, you know, what's a live video, got miss point. Hey, don't please got the live video, what change the topic you way. Don't make me not the live video way. A topic in with it, I'll change it. That joke, no mind, neck. Oh, we are away for your so, oh, what the name, oh, waiting. Also, I joke, no mind, we want to come with wagon. Okia broadcast. Oh, we get later. You have to concentrate on who tell who ta. or what le don't make me what the program we or what change the topic we or that one give there no man give 5 boa e dey be do a platform okay yeah about the total gbese we get mo dia woman oh kwa be onana ojo monoko koko o monoko koko ti an wu fi enwan yi e no bunso eso wo no bunwo iyan wu fi enwan yi no bun me enwan eso wo If me question no we ko common no money be ani obe ni gbe but only don please or kan gbe or pe a almost wa ba go frank ya ba go mi ya gbelu wa larin because why go was say or wo wa we dey have you born wa na oh wa go we dey disgrace wa with those type of space. Don't please, now it changed my topic. It changed my program when I take over for that trap. That boy, Prince Erio, we don't talk for more than 1 year. And I'm not saying with Tony Kabaka the quarry. Now, no matter what they do. That the way we they talk to, we hear they talk to Abbas, where they draw our mama the commands. Una never say Ajepkako talk put one day say that they throw mat as they throw mat this palace this for our mama for palace. Ajepkako no come out. But if not those women go going to give the name, Achawo, this one, you can't call the different name. We go reach this kind of matter, go hide. Kamelo wa mina nye undan wesusu Ajepkako. Share the video, let it go viral. Wagumega not go viral, not seeking a viral. Wapi like your team, wapi shower shop. Ajepkako is too small. You know, since when I talk time, I never draw your brother come on because you know concern me, concern your brother. If your brother fit see me for road now tomorrow, go slap me and not get me anything when I go do because now me go find her. But say get her for my say man day you go jam my brother for road. They go maybe if you decide to ask the question, go ask the question. You not decide to ask the question, they go leave you. That's why I know they go your side. So may you be careful anything way they do. You be small boy will not get sense. If you talk to my papa or talk to your mama, you say my papa don't last. Man, when he carry a grandson, Atiti grandson, Festi grandson, I say he get grandson, he carry, he stay with him for house. Your papa not carry your grandson. My papa with your papa who last pass, but you don't get sense. You they talk for life there when go every better come, I didn't come. Ajepkako come at he said my papa don't last, my mama don't last. My mama carry he carry a grandson when I born. Eddie Okowe to say, not be so woman the last rich. Yeah, if you not come be anyone, say beg we be on anyone. My mama carry my first brother grandson. He carry my senior sister grandson. He carried the one way senior me grandson. He carried my grandson. He carried the one way me senior grandson. The one with that one senior. They carried their grandson before the pile. Your papa not carry your grandson now. He not carry your brother grandson. Ogida barak like for pay your papa. Ojiga anoga arabu say. You know not see where they put my papa today. A government or ya bury a Ajepkako. Talk like say my papa with the put for your ass when he builds. Mama with the put for your ass when he builds. If you no book come now. Now this one women they look say they get sense in eku bega woman mana. A life in Centronian live. Useless central life where they live. All of they red like plantain with the rose for fire. Men we want call life they go no fitter. I hope a fitter nyagbe. Hi shit. Some of our women if women no book come be. Era me come wash women wine. Imagine na a Bible that me waya a Bible that me ga ati no ya kan me washa egani ira igele do yere me o me bi opani ati e BK e beni BK ati era me wa money o wa money won bo total o ga gu me gwa mo e beni ati e BK yan ga ati beni be e BK du wa na ati e BK wa do kama me ira me mu mi ne mi o gene ra me ga me o ga ba e BK yan gbon yo BK era me mu mo bo o ze tie o be ti me total wo me total do wa na te BK wa do come me BK yan gbe be ni be gene BK unu am ko tell me BK na dey write for the paper we ma pa go talk o we gumego o be tie ni mi o be ti mo wo me total o we me baro iwe baba bu ne baro kwa even ni ye baro about when no yes ku yan ma mi wina it is I know I forgo my papa egwe baba kenuri aje egwe nti agbe me inye na bugbe wume inye na bugbe wume baba egwe kenuri aje baba egwe hey baba you come bo me baba la wo emi ni ya bo me ya te jo inye umena nye ogbe ayene kedele na pa ayene era mi gare mi na la do gume gwa mi na gume an se o da fe window la re ma na agwa beju wa usun gwede na ewero wa ipepo ki an gbo e wa lowu kan le doro ri obi oji do da me yo igi po ni ori provani ni wa pe kere ni ewe ni ari video no wo we pe ni huemu egwu awo da wo re da agumegun awewo ku are gumegun awenu ko mu yo wa when we video ipaloku Ajepkako wey you enter Europe you don't pay us rent. One room where me see today, I dey pay 400 euro. Convert 400 euro for Nigeria money. If I save for 1 year, if Benejo not get money reserve for me. 400 euro save for 1 year. For 400 euro save for every month. Just save for 400 euro when me they pay for house rent. Not be feeding money, not be the one when I take chop of well, not be light bill, not be gas bill. Not be for food, calculate 400 every month. If Benejo mama go back, if me go stay with woman, I go say when I work. If Benejo mama go back, now you want to talk to me when we video in Paloku, you are a cutter. You get done prison no men or all. Only a while yeah, are you not yori me? Ime opia agripa we siwusu wat ye segusugu ma fi lu gbegbe wa. Ikpe no bu nwan. Abi ko no be fi yan wa because yan nwan. Yet abi ko na be nwan. Yan be correct yan gbeso. Okuno do gba shawo no ma je school. Okay, be the nwan opia. Is it possible? Jadam yo na, jadam yo Ajepkako. Gume do dam yo, don mugu do dam e do mu yo wa, e de no le fita. Oni e ba mo fita ye gbe ne. O wa re oda obi e go yin. Obi e go wa u kinari na re su logo. Owo ge do mumu. Ejeje, no man, ejeje, no man, say cook, no bien, no, you go do a pause, or no, more listen now.
In Proverbs 23:27-28. Proverbs 5:20.
Hey, Proverbs, oye, Proverbs.
God forbid involvement with prostitutes. Say God forbid them. So don't involve yourself with a prostitute. No, such immorality is detrimental to both men and women. When you involve yourself with a prostitute, you will get mental problems. A lot of things
oh, that face self-loving a mental problem.
People don't know that.
Oh, that face self-loving or a self-loving a mental problem. No, what have a mental? All have a mental. In iPhone or the metal no man. That be a iPhone or the metal no man. A metal have your no man. Okay. Or we don't move with money. You not say we know we say we're sick from our family. What do you can do for your don't move wife? Una not fit do without me, so una not wash me. I'm a comedian. Una must laugh, wash me and laugh. Well, why not come the form waiting una not be? Okay, don't move wife. You there for you now? Come listen. You just waiting your brother tell you shall like you. Lucky way there for Italy with Apollo. They say me the shame. They say as now the money where government they pay in order to take the chop. You see they do a shower as they talk so. Don't move see as the belly come big. Where you take the gang quickos. Don't move go they come out for life is saying a traditional man. In where they stay for where they shout for you go they shout for woman parlor saying a traditional man. Hey. Don't move go just sit down for woman parlor go they shout saying a traditional man. If I look you have a geg so geg. Even our disgrace to give a traditional man. My sisters wait there for Europe. Any man wanna put for us. When they go talk and say they be traditional, wanna slap their mouth. Why go be yan when I get time with traditional man? Why you why you why? Other row with traditional man. A traditional mo why oh hold the party by. Why will be now? More when what will be a week now? Come, Wagada Mura.
They don't want to wayward wife for the house.
Get her.
And it's a narrow well. They are like bandits that lies and waits, and the multitude of the unfaithful among men. So that men we don't know themselves, now they fall for the trap.
Look at now. May you all look this man now. Wagay, he's junkie now. And now it is not by a get to the Mumunoro Sugu. And I neck be any of the left trap in Anna. Nigga will not in now. Nigga will not in now. So, on a table, Musi, oh, you Musi Ubao. Hello. Oh, Pane, Ole. Ajepkako, me mess one good way. Why you not don't go a matter here? Yeah, you go with Wayao. Yeah, baby, Wayalawa. I don't know why Matty Tigger, why that don't let Lawa. Ya said, baby, on it up. A video here is try you over. If Wamamia will bomb it there, when I'm you, Wamamutiane. What do I see the cat from her before? Una no wait first. Una called it who are already topic here. A video why I go in over. I've been this social media for 10 years. I want to go make one war. I want to marry the go since 1 year plus my keku. I want to marry the go make one. A don't please us street guy, no you can active nana man. In a do one. Wa mazie gbe. Wana women. Wa do wa enusi no do wo pe yana da agiase. Ya be giase ni yan wa wo de gbe. Can already topic here. Yeah, you going where you was a bit. Ajepkako. Don't move do damn yo now. Do damn yo. Wago piano na o me na hina. E junkie wage. Don't give me the Bible kai. A Bible here I appreciate my Bible. Yeah, swing church in here. Yeah, you Bible preach you my She said, a pastor said to preach one here while the church. Every pastor said to preach one way in the church. Me other appreciate my one. But my baby not walk we are no marry. Hey, Asha will no ka bien no biane. Or we have a meta problem with Wajenic Benu down here.
That lies and waits, and the multitude of the unfaithful among men. So that men will not know themselves, now they fall for the trap. Like what in Proverbs 23:27-28.
What man we don't know themselves, now they fall for the junkie nania. Ojigo na takpa emi yago obo oji emi yago abo oji ogwo abo oge ogwo abo yo oto ge gbebo e na ebo na wa gege mo oge ji mo. This boy, wait, he don't find my trouble. Now this Ajepkako, wait, don't find my trouble. He called the found VT when he wanted to drive me for a house. He no say his secret. Now me with him, with the talk, with the gist. Now he find my trouble. He want to try to bring me down to people because I foolish. Say, you know when he come, he just don't come out. Can't they put different life on my body? He said I sleep with my brother, enemy wife. He sees he not succeed for that one. I not talk. He come out again, go plan with person who come say when I achieve goals. As he do that one, I strike. All wait here and know for a body. Now I start to throw him. He don't see he say no work. He go to carry my brother. May take keep my mouth shut, may take drive me at ass. You women know the secret. Something happened that day, everybody say they don't donation me. I know if you go ask for Nigeria, I know if you go ask. But now I can't remember people. Now make me complete the confession where you confess now. As Ajepkako don't confess now. Don't say arrest me for Nigeria. I am in Nigeria. Me never take lawyers since where this matter happen. He marry a lawyer. And because they don't write me. Say I get case for court, I not see paper for my WhatsApp. Now if I go assist, they don't declare me wanted. If I reach airport, they go arrest me for airport. Maybe people will come pay me commands. Then my judge will further the case. This man not call us is 10 years. He just say, I don't know how they call the other one. What did they call her? What did they call her? What did they call the other one? Where they say that he get law for Nigeria. What you What Tony? Remember that Tony, me, who know me can't tell me, you get the name where they call him for Nigeria. Me not you, Americana, if you me charge a royal, you call Americana no time. Sabapuli. Ije wait Sabapuli tito. I want to no time man. I want to no time man. Omari ni no tama. Hello. Hello. Our mama wanna have you all this one, baby, what have you like? When you make by 10 years, I will have you get Atiti. Message to Prophet Atiti. Our mama will have your now. Why can't I will have you do that also again? Because your mama got it, your mama got your way. Oh, mama got it, Where do you give it by 10 years? I give a message to Prophet Atiti. Voila. ije abo mumu ya wen ya na wada mume abo mumu wa ki ave gba 10 years ni iya ke da axe iya we da pe message to prophet Atiti message to prophet Atiti. Hello Ajepkako lare na agwa bejuwa he just joke come out that day. He say Atiti want play for one, Atiti na thief, Atiti no go ass. He define money when one carry flat. Ajebo, even though I win 300,000 today, I win 500,000 euro today. Any woman when I want marry more, follow me sleep for that one room before I go pack up for that one room. Almost on the baby who got money. He kept blaming you about it. He don't tell when I talk. Me flat in me Mario Kune. And the type of woman when I define. In my million. Only the one when I see you, I not agree. I know they hide my feelings, I know they talk lie. The other one, where they far. Now only one they come to see me, I never get people go see her. But the one with me know, won't all of you know. If it volunteer say you want marry, I think give a paper for Spain today. It is bene. Where I know say Papa go fit talk to them. If I just sit down for a sit down like this, if I told him my why Baba will let me make me on it, it'll be violent, pop, it'll be baby. Well, you tell my yeah, don't the man they buy, but when I tell my right, the baby, I was the total war why I called it, Baba only the regular see, only the ear power in my right, ear told him my right. It'll be great for your name, wutu. Ajabo, listen to your wife now. So I don't want to play that verse for Bible again. I don't want to play because I don't want me no yari koro wasole. Oh don mumu. Sugu. Na if look bebe wudu. Mago you come go say na ibisi. Ai shit. Why some of Benin men come foolish for Europe? Because why they foolish like this? If you can't master no where Pikin will never reach to sleep with in mama age. If you don't start to sleep with mama age, they'll call the chop different name. Oh, come and only here. Not a proverb for them. Now.
For the house. And it's a narrow well. They are like bandits that lies and wait, and the multitude of the unfaithful among men. So that men we don't know themselves, now they fall for the trap. Like with it, Proverbs 23:27-28.
You know, see, man, we don't know themselves, now they fall for the trap. You know, see, 10 years of young, 11 years of young man, and the KWC president is a good father. I don't want to fall for a shower trap again. My papa that time. My father, he go that book where they call BK. Now my papa take. He go carry and put for table. Where my papa go read and. I go hear where my papa go say, "Kege momo, kege we sa baba we kege la re." The name where my papa they come that time, I go say, "Kege momo, kege la re we kege la we sa." All the things to that we kege to that. Yeah, total way, man. In wire case school in all your mate don't come for school, say you don't go school. My pikin, I want me you go school. Because you be learning pikin for this family. Imagine you learning to Kabegani. I was 10 years old. You are learning pikin for this family. Iwe baba de na you learning to how work I say wa worry. He get the one now omono me one at a learning. Ina do we even never make come na. My papa go bring barrow come out. He bune barrow yera mo bo. Headmaster me bune barrow yo bo na headmaster. Okay, c'est BK. Et bonate BK. Oh we kege la redo tota. Ya c'est va son arrière. Baba egwe. e bande ojino e bande wen valo ore school e na te wiri UK e na te wiri Dublin 10 years ago na wiri Dublin opo down no do bia me magun ejo imu gbalaka neno ya se wa no na so gbalaka fo opo ni ma we magba for more than 1 year mo koki go na the ticket na ri UK ya be se ba ya ayin boya ye school ori se ba na ro agbalaka fo Oma. Bible again, or wait there in a wait young me, or we make a problem. Then I couldn't care in the Bible
that lies and wait, and the multitude of the unfaithful among men. So that men we don't know themselves, now they fall for the trap. Bible in Proverbs 23:27 to 28. Proverbs 5 and 23 to 5. Say God forbid involvement with prostitutes. Say God forbid them. So don't involve yourself with a prostitute. He knows such immorality is detrimental to both men and women. When you involve yourself with a prostitute, you will get mental problem. There are a lot of things that will come out from it. People will not know themselves. Mostly this calling of police. Now mostly people will not do this road work. That is one.
So more live on for there.
So God said, this will do a shower. He said it will not only destroy marriage. No. He said it will destroy the families and the lives. It will destroy the...
Hi! No wonder. He said person will do a shower. Not go only destroy. He go destroy the home, the family. Destroy home. They call frustration. Yes, frustration. You make me ani. If you no bring translation of the name now, you got a self-love in here. You got self-love. Or damage that family. Wagi is a sabwa. Ya can't do body who we would no mera. Nira mami, nira koko si. Any je koko. Ginya bini destroy ya the way they destroy everywhere. Need to make me.
So God said, person will do a shower. He said it will not only destroy marriage. No. He said it will destroy the families and the lives. It will destroy the spiritual life of a man.
Well, maybe in the Bible, you hear what the Bible talk now. He said, person will do a shower. We not go only destroy the home. It will destroy the family. Una the year now. My papa tell me this word. You know me, I come and beg anywhere. Ina ri oku no dan your many. Or we are ye do you know do ya luwe igi eyan ho ni. Or we that boy. Or we get the igi do ya ni but my with 7 days or 14 days fasting. Ila we bone da make temeni ma me no ya ka. Ibanja beg no say nira me na temeni ma.